In the world of finance, few arenas offer the potential for rapid growth and significant returns quite like the foreign exchange Forex market. With its unparalleled liquidity, 24-hour trading accessibility, and vast array of currency pairs, Forex trading attracts millions of investors seeking to capitalize on global economic fluctuations. However, navigating this dynamic landscape requires more than just luck or intuition. It demands skill, discipline, and a deep understanding of market fundamentals. In this article, we'll explore insider tips for mastering the art of Forex trading and achieving sustainable success in this exciting field. 1. Education is key. Before diving headfirst into the Forex market, aspiring traders must invest time in learning the basics of currency trading. Familiarize yourself with essential concepts such as currency pairs, pips, leverage, and margin requirements. Numerous online resources, tutorials, and courses are available to help beginners grasp the fundamentals of Forex trading. 2. Develop a solid trading plan. Successful Forex traders approach the market with a well-defined trading plan that outlines their goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Establish clear entry and exit criteria based on technical and fundamental analysis, and stick to your plan religiously. A disciplined approach to trading is essential for mitigating risks and maximizing profits over the long term. 3. Understand market analysis. Mastering the art of Forex trading requires proficiency in market analysis techniques. Learn how to interpret price charts, identify trends, and utilize technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Additionally, stay informed about economic events, geopolitical developments, and central bank decisions that can impact currency values. A comprehensive understanding of market analysis is crucial for making informed trading decisions. 4. Manage risk effectively. Risk management is a cornerstone of successful Forex trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on a single trade, and always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Additionally, consider implementing proper position sizing techniques and diversifying your trading portfolio to spread risk across multiple currency pairs. By managing risk effectively, traders can protect their capital and preserve long-term profitability. 5. Stay disciplined and patient. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and resilience. Avoid succumbing to impulsive trading decisions driven by greed or fear, and maintain a calm, rational mindset at all times. Stick to your trading plan and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Remember that successful trading is a marathon, not a sprint. 6. Keep learning and adapting. The Forex market is constantly evolving, and successful traders must adapt to changing conditions. Continuously educate yourself about new trading strategies, market trends, and technological advancements in the industry. Stay open-minded and be willing to modify your approach based on new information and experiences. A commitment to lifelong learning is essential for staying ahead in the competitive world of Forex trading. 7. Utilize technology wisely. Technology plays a crucial role in modern Forex trading, offering tools and platforms that streamline the trading process. Take advantage of advanced trading platforms, automated trading systems, and algorithmic strategies to execute trades more efficiently and accurately. However, be cautious of over-reliance on technology and ensure that human judgment remains an integral part of your trading strategy. 8. Practice patience and persistence. Success in Forex trading is not guaranteed overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and resilience in the face of challenges. Don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks or losses. Instead, view them as valuable learning experiences that can contribute to your growth as a trader. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remain committed to your trading journey. Conclusion: mastering the art of Forex trading requires a combination of education, discipline, and adaptability. By developing a solid trading plan, understanding market analysis techniques, managing risk effectively, and staying disciplined and patient, traders can increase their chances of success in the competitive world of Forex trading. Remember to continuously learn and adapt to changing market conditions, and never underestimate the power of patience and persistence in achieving your trading goals.